Here's an up-close and personal look at our morning chores. You love cows? Be gentle.
I want to milk her.
How'd you hold? Can you reach it?
Yeah.
How many eggs do you have?
2.
After morning chores, I took 30 minutes and pulled an old cherry log out of the back barn. It's a log my dad gave me a couple years ago, and started to rough it out to make a squared timber that I can cut some boards out of for a future project. What, buddy?
You're strong, Dad.
Huh? I'm strong? Well, I didn't do that cutting, the blade did.
No, you're strong. Bob and me can't even pick that finger. I picked that one.
Oh, hey. Dump out all your things and load up all this firewood. I'm going to cut this up and we'll load this with firewood and put it in the van so we can have a campfire soon.
Okay.
You can scatter in these muddy areas if you want. The boys see the vision, not only in the board, but just in the project. And they jump in and pick up all the shavings from the chainsaw so they won't kill the grass and put them in the muddy areas where we walk to the barn. That looks pretty good for now. It's going to be rough even when I'm done, and I'm not done with the rough cut. Come here. Let me get you dusted off so we can go up to the house. We gotta go soon.
Please sing. No. Okay.
Hey kids, where are we going?
To get a Christmas tree. To get Christmas tree.
And we're really excited. It's a big Christmas tree. A lot of you keep asking when are we gonna get a tree. The reason we hadn't gotten one yet is because we were waiting for this one, or this chance to go pick out this really big tree, because the ceilings in this house are super high, so we wanted a tall tree. I don't know, we were just coming down and we saw that there's goats in the garden, so I'm gonna go deal with that real quick. Here you go, honey.
Okay, the goats are out of the garden. I'm not gonna go up there now. One was in the other day and I went and closed that and like wired that whole gate.
I went up there, but I guess he had seen us coming, so they got out, but I just made sure everything was shut. And then, so they can't actually get into the yard.
Why do you think they got out? Because they saw us coming. It's not because they're conscientious or guilty.
No, they thought we were bringing them something.
Yeah. Goats don't have that level of self-awareness that they can know they're doing something you don't want them to and like care.
Dogs do, but
Check
goats
the
don't.
bill.
Yeah.
Not at all.
You're gonna drive.
It literally started raining as we started leaving. How big of a tree do you want?
It's not really how big of a tree I want, it's how big of a tree they want. It was their idea.
It has to be high enough that we have to put the tree topper on from the bridge.
It's actually a question of how big of a tree can we pick up and get into the house also.
Yes.
Because we don't have a way to tie the branches down really tightly, so we have to get it through a door without messing up the house.
Yeah, but you're a clever guy. I bet we can figure it out. Go ahead.
That's kind of like when you walk into work and they're like, oh, Arthur, we picked this assignment because we knew you could handle it. You know you're gonna have a really bad day.
This will be fun. This is not like that. This will be fun. It'll be our biggest tree ever. And we'll probably be the biggest tree ever. Not just ever in the past, but ever in the future.
Well, why not do it? Because we're not gonna have a ceiling this high again indefinitely. So why not go for it?
We're just gonna go for it.
Baby's sleeping. Dude, he's gonna miss out on some of this fun, but that's okay.
We want the one on the other side. That was perfect.
The kids really want the one on the left, not the one on the right.
No, that's not it.
I was thinking about
Little
how to
man
smash
missed
it
the whole
down,
thing.
but I think we'll just have to pull it. We got it on, and it's a big one. The tree's shifted. I fixed it.
What was there to fix?
It was just shifting back.
But it's okay.
I mean, yeah, it's okay. Hey, you want to see this tree? You were sleeping when we got it. You want to see it? You can't see it from where you are. Alright. Look how big it is.
Are we gonna put lights on it?
Yeah, we're going to put lights on it. When I was cutting this, the kids told me, Dad, that's not big enough. Cut it taller, cut it taller. And I don't know. Maybe I should have. I don't know that we could have gotten in the door if we cut it any taller because it's so wide. How tall do you think it is? Is it tall enough?
I mean, I think we wanted one significantly taller, but I think we'll be quite pleased with this one.
I just went for it with the chainsaw.
You just went a little bit high. So we didn't get as quite tall of a tree as we'd all hoped because we wanted it to be all the way up to the bridge. But it's fine.
No.
It's fine. We'll have happy hearts.
Let's go back and get another one.
Yeah, let's go back. You ready?
I don't know.
I'm sure it's 12 feet.
It's 12.5 feet.
All right, well that's as big as our stand can hold anyway, so.
I think that's about perfect because we set out to get a 12-foot tree. And
I
we
know,
got
I
a
just think
12-foot
our
tree.
hearts longed for a 20-foot.
But when on our way there, we said, let's get a 12-foot tree, so I cut you a 12-foot tree. Right?
No, you did perfect. And that's all the stand will hold anyway, so.
Is that tree big enough, buddy?
Yeah.
Can we get a good one?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
We're just letting it dry off and then we'll bring it inside and decorate it. Wait, stick your head in there and then crank it.
It's a very nice tree stand. Y'all wanted a tall tree. You want to taste it?
Taste what?
My tomato sauce from our garden.
I'd love to. It's really good.
Yeah, it needs to let the herbs do their thing for a little bit.
It's
That's
really
why I went
tasty.
ahead and started it. Yeah.
Nice, good job.
Thank you. I think it tastes good. Use a little more onion. But it's yummy. Have you checked that you can fit the trunk down in there?
No, I should.
And I read that if you'll shave the bottom off, if it's been over an hour, since the bottom's been shaved off, you should do it again real quick. Just shave a little off the bottom. It'll soak the water up and it won't dry out and get brittle as quick.
It may not fit in there.
It's gonna fit. Just try it.
Can you open the back door for me? It should fit. I may have to drag it.
I think you can.
Do you think I can?
So I thought it was fixing the house loud.
So we need to turn this way as far as we can.
Does it seem big enough now, kids?
Yes.
I think that you should be down here at the bottom,
Okay.
making sure that it goes in. I'm a little unsure of how to stand this up because I'm worried we're actually going to crush this if we stand it up onto these little legs.
Yeah.
So I think we should stand it up on the tarp, and then once it's straight up, try to lift it in.
And then they do this.
My dad's over. That's bigger than it looks.
Where are you, Bree?
Under the tree?
Where are you, Bree? I didn't notice you anywhere.
Go sideways a little.
Are we there?
Just go
Just
towards
go-
mommy, just a tiny, like an inch.
Yeah.
Down.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Okay, towards the TV.
Can you try tightening the bottom?
Yeah. Ready? It's way more epic than I expected. Good thing we didn't get a taller one, kids.
You wanted me to get a taller one.
I did. It's true.
Everyone was disappointed that I didn't get a taller one, and I was rolling my eyes. It's huge. It's huge, and that stand, honestly, I'm surprised
Well, second, look at
that is how stable it is. It's not straight quite.
Not bad.
Let's straighten it up.
Hold it up.
All right.
Okay, I'm gonna straighten. No, timber. All right, go.
Dad, you tighten it up.
Why did I do it? I wanted to see the Christmas tree fall down in the living room and crush everyone. Wow, I hadn't used that mechanism at all, and I thought I was cranking it, and I pushed it up and just about lost.
Smashed me.
I know, but I also saved you also. So, what do you think?
It's the biggest Christmas tree I've ever seen.
It's a deal.
I'm gonna tie it here so it doesn't fall over.
Jesus, Lord, at thy birth. Because your steadfast love is better than life, my lips will praise you. That's a psalm, which is a song that they used to sing in the Bible. Whose steadfast love is better than life? Jesus. Have y'all ever experienced that love from him?
Yeah.
There are moments where you really feel it and know it. Please don't blow the candles out. And that's when you know that his love really is better than life. I don't experience that every minute of the day, but there are moments, especially when I turn my eyes and my heart and my mind to think on the things that he has done, then I really feel it a lot more.
Time to decorate.
Yeah, this is the hard part.
Do you like decorating Christmas trees?
Yeah.
Bree is a master light Christmas tree light applier, and whenever I do it, I don't give it enough depth. So she's doing it this
He just
year.
puts them on the edge.
I just put rings around. I'm like, that's what, right?
No,
rings?
you go in and out.
So she's going in and out. So there's depth. So it looks like the whole tree is covered. So you can see back into the
So
tree.
we may run out, because this tree's so big, we may run out of lights.
But it does look good when you do it.
Yeah. Though I think you maybe purposely don't do it this way, so I have to do it.
It could be.
Everyone get to your positions where the lights are. Ready? Everyone want to see it in all its glory?
I'm gonna turn it on.
Set, go! Hooray! Yay! We did it! Now we can put ornaments on after we clean up a little bit.
I think the tree looks really, really nice like this. And I'm just pleased with this 12-foot tree that we have in our house. This is the biggest tree we've ever had. There's something special about this moment.
We are getting our ornaments out. We haven't seen these in 2 years because we didn't get them out last year since we were staying in the camper for Christmas. Anyways, everyone's super excited, but I'm a little nervous because some of them are breakable. I want to hand them to you guys because I'm not sure where the breakable ones are. Casey's first Christmas. Here you go, you can put that one on.
About my favorite stuff. I'm gonna make this. The wise one.
Put it in the tree.
Hey, can I do it? Oh, white and Christmas. Baby bacon.
Here's this one.
Those are beautiful.
Oh, I love when you put this on.
My origami snowflakes and things. We're gonna make some.
I think it's beautiful. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Yay! Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey!
I think our tree looks amazing, and I don't think we need a whole bunch more ornaments. I mean, the kids are making ornaments. Oh, I should get out the stars they made.
There it is. Oh yeah, it is in another video.
Why?
This isn't for eating, it's for decorating. You'll get to eat one, just not right now, okay?
Can I eat?
Not right now.
There's
plenty of time.
That one's mine.
Long ago on a cold wintry morning, a warm light glowed in the windows of a candy shop. Blessing in his hand, Christ our God to word. Yeah, we're closer to midnight than not.
We have sleepers.
We got a sleeper over here and some sleepers over there, and 2 wide awake boys. How come you boys are wide awake?
Why is she awake?
It has been a really great day. Let's say Merry Christmas. I have to say, this tree turned out so lovely. I really didn't think we'd have enough ornaments for it. And just look, it's perfect. And the kids did a great job decorating it. Thank you. You did a good job. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Are you gonna say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
That's right.
Christmas.